Ready, start. In a recent judgment, the Supreme Court disallowed the claim for damages raised in lieu of specific performance of contract, citing the reason that the plaintiff had not specifically sought the relief of compensation in the plaint stop. The court referred to section 21 within bracket 5 of the Specific Relief Act, which says stop. No compensation shall be awarded under this section unless the plaintiff has claimed such compensation in his plaint stop, provided that where the plaintiff has not claimed any such compensation in the plaint, the court shall at any stage of the proceedings allow him to amend the plaint on such terms as may be just for including a claim for such compensation stop. A bench comprising Justice L. Nageswar Rao and V.R. was considering the case Universal Petrochemicals Limited versus VP PLC and others, which was an appeal from the judgment of the Calcutta High Court stop. The issue related to contractual dispute between the appellant and the respondent stop. The appellant had filed a plaint seeking specific reliefs, performance of the agreement with the respondent, and sought a perpetual injunction against the termination notice issued by the respondent stop. Though the High Court granted the relief of injunction, the relief of specific performance was denied, citing the bar in section 14 within bracket 1 within bracket B of the Specific Relief Act 1963 stop. The High Court observed that the contract involves performance of future unspecified obligations and duties, and it would not be possible for the court to enforce specific performance of the materials terms of the contract stop. The High Court further held that it was an open-ended agreement involving continuous flow of technology for innovating and overhauling the products, which are upgraded from time to time to meet world-class standards stop. Therefore, though the termination agreement was found to be not in accordance with law, but the specific performance of the contract was not granted stop. Before the Supreme Court, the appellant sought for compensation as the period of agreement had expired on 31 December 2009 stop. Damages for the period from 24 April 2005 till 31 December 2009 was therefore sought stop. Senior Advocate Mr. Rakesh Dwivedi, appearing for the appellant, relied on judgments in Jagdish Singh versus Nathu Singh within bracket 1992 1 SCC 647, Urmila Devi and others versus Deti Mandir Sri. Mr. Roy, appearing for the respondents, relied on the Supreme Court judgment in Shamshu Suhara versus G. Alex and others within bracket 2004 8 SCC 569 to contend that damages cannot be awarded unless specifically sought for in the plaint stop. The Supreme Court noted that the judgments relied on by the appellant were distinguishable on facts. Stop. The court held stop. The scope of section 21 within bracket 4 and within bracket 5 was examined by this court in stop.